Hey guys, good morning. Hope you guys are having a great day. It is already the afternoon. I woke up today and I've had it. I've had it. I'm like up to here with the mess. So I was complaining to Rob like, oh my gosh, I clean the same thing every single day. He's like, you do that because, okay, he calls me a hoarder, y'all, okay? And he's like, because you have too much stuff. You just need to get rid of stuff. And it's not even my stuff, it's the kids' stuff. Like, my mother-in-law spoils these kids. She buys them anything they ask for. And yes, Mom, I'm telling on you. Like, she takes her job as grandmother so serious, and anything these kids want, need, could dream about, they get it. So although I'm grateful for that, we don't get rid of stuff when they grow out of it. So that's my fault. So today, I've been seeing online that they have like all these like KonMari videos and stuff, how people are like decluttering and purging. So instead of just watching these videos and saying, okay, this is what I'm gonna do, I need to learn about what the real KonMari method is. So I'm gonna get on the computer and look it up and just figure out what it is and see if that's good for me. But other than that, y'all, like, I was so over it this morning when I got to Jacob's room and I saw the mess he made. Like, Jacob literally, like, I have to figure out a different system in the kids' room, mainly Jacob's, because Noah pretty much keeps her room clean, but Jacob, I can fold all his clothes and put them up, but he'll go in and he tries on all of his clothes. Like, if I'm asleep or if I tell him to go take a nap, he'll be putting on like 3 different outfits all at one time. So he's pulling everything out of the drawers, and I just think that I one, need to teach him not to do that, and 2, I think it's just too much stuff. I think we need to get rid of some stuff, sell some stuff, donate some stuff. Like, it's too much. So the kids have about 4 different toy areas. They have one on the 3rd floor, in their rooms, in the hallway, and then one space down here. So I want to get rid of toys that they don't play with, all the clothes they don't wear, and then separate them. So I am gonna go look up the KonMari method and see if it'll work for me. But that's my plan today. I know it's gonna take me a long time to do it, but I am so over the mess, like, it's starting to annoy me. So I want to just declutter and get it. I just think I'll feel better once it's done. So I'm gonna go to the computer and see what the whole, look it up. I know Pinterest is kind of like my Google. So when I want to know something, I go straight to Pinterest and figure out how to do it. So let's go do that, and then I'll show you guys the kids area. Okay, so here I am at my computer. I am going to just type in KonMari and see what comes up. I am trying to figure out what the KonMari method is. Okay, so here's one. It says, commit yourself to tidying up all at once, okay? Imagine your ideal lifestyle to prevent relapse, okay? Hold an item with both hands and ask yourself, does it spark joy? Okay. Finish discarding before moving on. Neat does not equal declutter. Okay. Organize by category, not by room. Example, get all of your clothes in one place. Okay. Go in order, clothes, books, paper. Okay, so we got that one. So let's look for one more. Okay, this is one big one that I need to do, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the website and see what this one says. I mean, there's a ton of videos out there for the whole KonMari thing, but no one really explains how it all operates. So let's see if she has some tips. So this is how to declutter toys. Okay, broken toys, duplicate toys, unsafe toys, loud toys. People just get rid of loud toys. Toys that aren't age appropriate. Oh, I have a ton of those. open-ended toys that inspire imagination. I want to make sure we end up with, okay. Oh, mine is gonna be worse than that. But anyway, we declutter toys. Okay. And that's what they was left with. So they went from this to this. So I think we're good. Okay, so here in the living room, they have this bin here that has stuff in it. And then this cabinet down here has toys in it. Okay, so this is the second floor. This is the kids' play area. And I had already started here like a few weeks ago. I started putting stuff in here. Toys that they don't play with. So I fill that bag up. This kitchen I just got, so I won't get rid of it because they're still playing with it. But all of this stuff, y'all, half this stuff is not even age appropriate. So this is Jacob's room. This is what he did. He has way too much stuff in here. That's why it's like this. This is too much. I'm over it. There's another toy bin over there. Pretty sure half that stuff down there she can't fit anymore. I'm just trying to figure out where I want to put everything. Like where in this house can I bring everything?
I want to give it up to somebody else who needs those stuff.
Okay.
You got to let it go.
Alright guys, here we are. So this is what we have. This pile right here I pretty much know is all too small. So I just need to figure out what's gonna go, what's gonna be to sell, or what's gonna be to give away, or what needs to just go in the trash. And then this is all the stuff that came out of the kids' room. Both rooms, Noah and Jacob, both rooms. So that's a lot of freaking stuff, y'all. And we haven't even gotten started with the toys yet. So I am about to sit down and start sorting this stuff out. This is the giveaway. This is the throwaway, and this is the keep pile. This is all Jacob's stuff that's left. A little big for him, so I just folded everything and put it there. All of his PJs and undies are going in this drawer here. And then I'm going to put his dress shirts in here. I was going to hang them up, but honestly, for him, I always come here first and put his shorts, jeans, and he has more stuff, but most of his stuff really needs to be washed. So, I'm just gonna put this stuff up, and then put all his t-shirts and stuff in here. I'm like really loving this whole Konmari situation, y'all. And then these are long sleeves, and I'm just gonna put those down. So that's cool. I really like to hang all of her stuff so I can see everything, or we'll forget about it. And then this is trash over here, still trash that we found all in the room. Bunch of trash. I'm gonna put all this stuff in her closet, and then this stuff right here is just like her little leggings and sweats and stuff she play in, so that'll go in the drawer in her room. This right here I'm gonna keep clean. I'm not gonna put anything in these here because I really want to just get rid of it. Oh, here we are. This is what I've come up with. I'm tired. So 2 of these are, one is full of girl clothes, one is full of boy clothes that I'm gonna give away, and then the other 3, 4 bags are trash. I told y'all I really like to just have all her stuff hung up. So I did that here. All her shirts, all her dresses, skirts, shorts, sundresses, jackets, and pants and leggings are back there. So yeah, so that's Noah's. So I only used this one drawer for her stuff that she needed, and then her side table has her underwear and stuff in it. But no, I forgot, we didn't do this. We gotta do this because I know you don't even play with half this stuff. So let's get rid of this. So you keep your book bag, you keep your robe,
and I want to keep this.
Okay, you keep that. You keep this book bag. This is old. We definitely can get rid of this.
Yes. And
Okay.
this is old.
What is this?
Well, I want to keep this.
Okay, let's put it there.
Okay.
This is broken.
Yeah.
Do you want to keep it though?
Yes.
Wait, but if it's broken, I don't see the point of keeping it. What's with the wig? You want this one?
No. I need to tell Nancy, thank you, but no thank you. I just don't like the wig.
Alright, so here's Jacob's room. All done. Everything's in the drawer. Everything's off the floor. Pretty much got everything done in here. Yeah, that's it. I like it this way because to me it just seems like he has more room to kind of play and stuff. I still need to vacuum in here, and I will. Konmari for the win. Oh, I moved his bookshelf over there in the corner. This is what we have left. So we're gonna bring all the toys from downstairs up here, and then we'll do this tomorrow, y'all. I'm tired. I can't do no more. I don't even feel like looking at anything else. I'm gonna have Babe take all this down. I'm so tired, y'all. So now I'm gonna cook dinner.